Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you the summary of 6th chapter of Honeycomb, Expert Detectives. This is very interesting chapter, so listen carefully. Okay, I have divided the summary of this chapter in some points. By the help of these points, you will understand the summary easily. Okay, so let's start now. First point is main characters. The story has half a dozen characters in it. 3 of them are main. First is Nishad or 7. Second, his sister Maya, and third one is Mr. Nath. They become expert detectives. Their mother is a doctor. Okay. Mr. Nath. Second point is Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath, the principal character who lives in Shankar's house alone, is under her treatment. Ramesh. Who is Ramesh? A servant. Takes tea and meals from the restaurant to Nath's room. Nath pays cash and also tips to Ramesh. The children go ahead to collect information about Mr. Nath. They think Mr. Nath is a mysterious person. He has no friend there. Nishad has a bit of sympathy for Mr. Nath. His approach in his case is sensible. Okay. Next point is his opinion about Mr. Nath. The narrator is sure that Mr. Nath is an escaped crook or criminal. Nishad is doubtful. He wants to discover the truth and he collects a lot of information in the case. The narrator has got a ready answer to all Nishad's doubts. He thinks that Mr. Nath is a rich man. He has perhaps got million of rupees locked in some trunk in his room. He notes dark scars also on his face. Nath might have got them during a shootout with the police, but Nishad contradicts him. Mummy had told him that they were burn scars. Okay. Next point, an incident. One day, 7 goes alone to his mama's clinic at Girgaon. He gets upset to see Mr. Nath, who looks so thin, poor and starving. He goes to Nath's room and puts a bar of chocolate in his hand. He collects one more clue about Mr. Nath's routine. Ramesh told him that on every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same visitor is with him each time. The tall, fair and stout visitor takes a lot, whereas Mr. Nath simply listens. Okay, take note, that is talks. Okay, but he cannot imagine that Nath is a crook. Okay, now next part, second. The narrator makes a long list of all the information they have collected about him. He reads it out to Nishad. They don't know what Mr. Nath's first name is. They must discover it. Okay. First point is the other tenants at Shankar's house say that Nath is mad, strange and unfriendly. Okay. He doesn't talk to anyone. He is under Mama's medical treatment, so he has to be polite to the children. He has been living in room 10 for more than a year. Okay, he has been living in room for more than a year. He doesn't work to earn his livelihood. Okay, he has no visitors. Only one Sunday a fair white man comes to him for lunch. Food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant distributors. Okay, now at last, conclusion. Nishad don't pay much attention to Maya's list of facts. He only pities that the poor man is without any friend. Okay, Maya argues that the Sunday visitor must be Nath's partner in crime and comes on Sunday to give a part of ill-gotten money to Mr. Nath. As for Ramesh, Mr. Nath bribes him to keep quiet about his criminal activities. Okay, Nishad doesn't quite agree with Maya. He says he will not cooperate in her investigation if she didn't stop calling Mr. Nath an escaped criminal. In his opinion, the purpose of their inquiry is to find out why Mr. Nath is so thin and lonely. Okay? Maya laughs at the madness of Nishad. She warns him that the police would take him also to jail along with his friend. Nishad comes out of the room quietly. He wanted to be his friend, and Maya's theories didn't have any impact on Seven. Okay? So I think you will have understood the summary of this chapter. Okay? Have a nice day. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.